Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video. I know it's been a long time since I've done one for hole-in-the-wall beads. I just haven't been shopping groups that much, but right after Tucson, I really wasn't shopping groups, but Nina had some pretty cool shapes of stuff that I haven't seen before, so I had to get some stuff, even though I had just come home from Tucson. It was ridiculous, but anyway, she sent this thank you. Let's see what's in here. I've never seen this before. It says, oh, it's cappuccino. I'll save that for my mom. I'm not a coffee drinker, but she is. I'll give that to her. And then we have some kind of dendritic something. I don't know what this is. Agate? I can't tell. I don't know. But it's got some cool inclusions, and I like the color. Very cool shape, too. Thanks, Nina. I got just a few things this time. I got these beaded beads. They've got, I got 4 of them. They've got, they're multi gemstones. Aren't those so cool? All different stones. I'm seeing some rhodochrosite. I'm seeing some crazy lace agate, some amethyst, some serpentine, probably onyx, some quartz, some sodalite. There's tons of different things going on in here. So thought those were really cool focals. I got this strand. Well, actually these 3 are all tied together, but this strand reminded me of a different strand that I got in Tucson, but I really liked it. Can't remember if this is serpentine or not. I think one of them was not perfect, but this is old stock. She got this from a dealer in Tucson, and sometimes you have that with your beads. And then I got these 2 really cool shapes. I can't remember if this is picture Jasper. It looks, I don't know. I didn't screenshot it when I bought it, but it's just such a cool shape. I love cool shapes like that. And then I can't remember what stone this was either, but it's got that quatrefoil or that clover shape, and it's just so cool. Really nice polished carved stone. Beautiful neutrals. And then I got these ceramic pieces. I think I'm going to paint these eventually. These were 50 cents each. They're little pendants. They could be used. They're kind of lightweight enough to make earrings from, but I'll probably use them in a necklace or several necklaces. But aren't they cool? I love them. And then I got a few more strands. I got 2 strands of Dalmatian Jasper. This one is a really cool, like chunky faceted rondelle. And it's a more gray than I typically see with Dalmatian Jasper. I don't know what it is, but I love, love, love Dalmatian Jasper. I think it's the spots, just like Cruella. Give me those spots. But this was $6. Okay. Love it. And then I got these, each were 7. I got some arrows or chevrons in sodalite. I think these are sodalite. And I got them in Dalmatian Jasper. Like I said, I'm kind of obsessed with Dalmatian Jasper. It's funny the gemstones that you pick to like, because it's not the most expensive gemstone, but I just love it. It's the spots, right? So yeah, I'm really excited about this order. It makes me so happy. It's very neutral. I've been trending towards neutral a lot lately. I think it's being so much input every day, all day, that sometimes I tend to just go towards something that's a little more calming. Don't get me wrong, I do love a bright hot pink, but sometimes I'm just buying neutrals. But anyway, these are gorgeous. Thank you to Nina. Check out her group. I'll put the link in the description. Check out my bead group. I'll put the link in the description, and let me know which one your favorite was. I think my favorite are these 3. This one, and this one. I just love these unusual shapes. So since I only have a limited amount of beads in my apartment with me, we'll probably see a video with these soon. Hopefully I won't just start buying beads, because I know I'm going to have a heck of a time putting them all back where they need to go once I move into the new house. But anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super duper cute. Bye-bye.